DS Tower 2 Sukhumvit 39 is a luxury condominium located in the potentially prosperous old area of Prompong. That is a major center which grows rapidly in last few years. It makes this area surrounded by numerous residential condominiums very tightly. DS Tower 2 Sukhumvit 39 is a popular condominium that is a tranquil for residents with a long-standing reputation at a reasonable price. Apartments in these condominiums feature larger size than units in the newer condominiums. In our property tour today, I will show you a spacious 3-bedroom apartment in DS Tower 2 that was recently and nicely renovated. It features a spacious living room with a large modern kitchen and 3 good-sized balconies with an amazing greenery view. The bedrooms and bathrooms are large. We don't show prices in the video because they may change from time to time, but you can see the price in the pinned comment or on the website. Link is also shown in description. Why don't you take a look at this property and contact us if you are interested? Contact details are on the top of the screen as usual. Your likes are appreciated. Also, if you subscribe to the Bangkok Collection channel and click a bell, you will be receiving alerts about properties in Bangkok that make sense. I'm WinWin at CondoDee Eternal Property. Enjoy the video. Bye. you.